up, I'm sorry, forgot her name. I don't do love, 어쩌는 to get away. I've been living like this, living like this, living like this. I've been living.
On the way. I think it took 10 minutes to reach there. So guys, we reached finally. So we are here. Look. I can't make videos here. Guys, then I bought this. So we are going to buy some cake now. Happy New Year to everyone! Happy New Year to everyone! Oh shit. Happy New Year to everyone! Happy New Year! Woo! So guys, let me show you what I bought from Purple Cosmetics store. Actually, I totally forgot to show you guys, so let me show you. This is foundation. This is fake eyelashes. And this is a cleansing balm. This is for makeup remover. And this is a translucent powder. And next is this is primer. It's concealer. And this is eyeliner, sketchy. I like sketching. It's comfortable. And this is spongy for foundation. And this is eyebrow pencil. And this is brown color. I like brown. So now I'm going to show you one of my favorite products. This one. This is a K beauty product. So let me show you. Its name is Tokto. It's cleanser. Let me show you. It's made in Korea. It was quite expensive because of this I'm broke down. And this is a toner. It's like this. So now I'm going to do a little unboxing. Yesterday I received a parcel which I ordered from online Urbanic. So yeah, let me unbox it. Let's see how's it. Ooh. Okay. Let me show you. So I ordered this. Oh my god, it's cute. Look at this phone case. Let me show you. Look, I also got this chain. It's cute. This phone case is so cute. I like it. And next is this. Oh my god, it's too big. I ordered. It's medium, but it's too big. I ordered this for gym shorts. So next is this one, skirt. Oh, it's like this. It's cute. It's small size. So yeah, I like it. I like this. So last Only this one. It's cute. I like this. So yeah, it's like this. It's too cute. Look at this. This size is M. So I'm going to wear this today. I'll show you. I'll show you my OOTD outfit of the day. I'll show you later. So yeah, that's it. Today is 1st Jan and now we're living in this apartment. So guys, now I'm ready. She's my friend. We're about to reach. We are in a cute bubble boba tea cafe. Look, cute boba tea. 강아지 bubble tea. bubble tea.
중고도 언니? 응. 손님들아 kamu disimpan 2 orang, ayo cukup mau disebut kamu bawa dia dulu.
Finish. So now we are going to eat Korean dish. It took 12 minutes by walking, so let's go.
아이고 내 핸드폰.
This is the outfit of the day. So guys, oh, I'm so full, just done with dinner. Now we are going back to home. So I reach home, and when I reach home, I realized something. That was, I just left my selfie stick in that cab, and I just bought it today that really pissed me off. I thought today was the best day. Whenever something happens happy to me, it goes worst. So that's really pissing me off. Anyways, thanks for watching my videos. See you in my next vlog. Bye. Take care.
jumping 뛰어놀았어 어디로 튈지 몰라 그냥 사라져버려 안 듣기로 yeah 자유로워 yeah 날아다녀 yeah